What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you the tools and software I am using for deep research for any of my products. However, before we do this, some good news. We've decided to run another event, the Amazon Seller Mastery Seminar. We sold out all the tickets for the 17th of November, but there is another event running on the 15th of December, so please check out the event website and I will post the link in the video description below. So in the previous video I have shown you how I initially assess any product. So today I'm going to show you my next steps. This is the spreadsheet I am using for all my products. I've obviously deleted the information for obvious reasons, but I want to quickly show you how I color code the fields. And you can see we've got some red fields, we've got yellow fields. So for example, for the top line, you can see this is where I normally put the product title and the main keyword. So the red fields mean that I don't want to go for this product at this particular time. The gray fields mean that we already have this product on sale. And the green fields, I am marking the products which I want to go for. And the yellows, I am planning to monitor them and see if they are a better opportunity in the future. So you can see I already have quite a lot of these products here with all data filled in. However, I will show you how I go about this step by step. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will create a new column for a new product. And in the previous video, we actually found one of the products that actually has some good opportunities. So let's have a look at this product again. This is a cutlery set, and we already established that the product has quite a good price. The rankings are okay. The monthly sales could be better. They dropped down when we get to the 9th listing. However, we've got some good sales above. And the reviews are not bad. They could be obviously lower. But if you have some experience, you are able to compete with them. There are some listings that could be improved, obviously, and I already looked at that, and I really like this figure here, which is over £10,000 a month, and the guy is selling 456 units per month. At least that's what we know from the Jungle Scout extension, which translates into 14 units a day. And the price is good, $22.99. So I would say this would be the base competitor, our base competitor, and we would basically compare ourselves to him and try to beat him. So let's start. Going back to my spreadsheet, what I normally do is put the main keyword, which is in our case cutlery set. Then I put the date. Today is 6th, I believe, 6th November 2018 still. Then I generally speaking put a link to that product here on Amazon. So let's do this. Okay, now let's go. So you can see, first of all, because I am using my virtual assistants as well, so this spreadsheet I have created for them, and I've given them some guidance in that spreadsheet. I will post the spreadsheet in a new Facebook group. So if you are interested in using that spreadsheet, please sign up for the group, and then you will be able to download it. So you can have a look. It says look in all departments only, search for broad keywords. So this is the only thing we are interested in. Then we have the research date, we've got the link to results page, and then obviously we say for the below exclude sponsored listings. So any of these numbers, any of these values here, we always exclude the sponsored listings. Okay, so our first line, 5 of the 10 products have BSR between 2.5 and 25,000. Before we go in, let's just clear those fields. That should be okay. Okay. Let's switch to the product. Let's go to the main category. So we always make sure we've got all departments and the main broad keyword, and then we run Jungle Scout Chrome extension. We can refresh the results. Okay, so 5 out of 10. Let's have a look. That's the 10th result. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. Let's switch. So we put 7, which basically meets that criteria because the minimum we are looking for is 5, so that's fine. None of the top 10 products have BSR below 500. Let's have a look. That's perfectly fine. So we put 0. Each of the top 15 products have less than 1,000 reviews. Let's have a look. So we need to scroll down a bit. 500 reviews. Let's have a look. So we are fine again. So 0. 10 of the top 15 products have less than 200 reviews. Let's have a look. Less than 200. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we've got 13 products. So that meets that criteria. Then we've got 7 of the top 12 products have less than 70 reviews. Let's have a look. So we get 1, 2, only 2 meet that criteria. So there is a big gap here, and I would immediately mark this as red. And move on. The product selling price is between 12 and 30 pounds. Let's have a look. I think that's the case. Generally speaking, absolutely yes, so that's okay. Alternatively, you can put the price in. 7 of the top 12 products have sales greater than 250. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be it. So we only have 5 products. And I would in this case mark this as yellow. Then we've got no more than 3 repeat brands on list page. Yes. So that's an okay. The product is durable and unlikely to break while shipping. I think we can say so. The product size is smaller than 20 by 20 by 20. Let's have a look. So the way we do this is we open up one or two sets. However, I would be interested in competing with this guy here. So I would definitely check out his set, and this is what I'm going to do now. So this is his page. I'm gonna scroll down until I see the product information, and I can say it's 41 by 27 by 64, so I would most probably copy that information, go back and paste that information here. And obviously it's bigger, then I would mark it as yellow. Now, while I'm on that subject, I also always check the weight. So I can see the item weight is 1.97. So that means it's quite a heavy item. And that's what I would also put in my spreadsheet. 1.97. And I would mark it at least yellow in this case. Going back to the spreadsheet, the product does not violate any copyrights or patents. I really don't think so. There is a consistency in sales for first 10 products at least. Let's have a look. So we've already established we've got the consistency in sales for the first 5 products. However, we can also say there is a consistency in sales for the remaining products on the page. However, the sales volume is lower. So in that case, I would mark this as yes. There is a good variation of products on the result page. Let's have a look. We'll close that. So we can see different boxes, different shapes, different sets, different colors. So I'd say there is a variation here. And mark that as OK. We've already done that. And quality of listings. Can a listing be improved? Let's have a look. So in order to assess that, you would go into a few listings here and check how they are described. So I would look at the titles, whether it's full and complete. I would look at the photos, whether they show all the information, lifestyle photographs, which is good. So I definitely say I like the photographs. I can see we've got some nice bullet points as well. So I'd say this guy knows what he's doing. And I would also check the description. Which is fine. So I would go through a few listings, maybe 5 or 6, and basically check whether I can improve these listings. And also I would ask myself, how can I improve that listing? How can I improve that set? But we will get into that. So for the purpose of this video, I'd say listings are okay, but I'm pretty sure that you can find something you can improve on. Okay, so this would be everything for today. Please check out the seminar website and stay tuned to the next part of this video. Till then, goodbye.